a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons, so when they were big and men did run, being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet, like stomachs groaned and moaned away. All you can eat and then some more. When beasts got full and left us alone. Scatter, flee, and escape, to live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow, or be like a flaming marshmallow. Dragons never joined a pack, just solitary.
Welcome back to the Stoner Degree, guys. Today we're doing a French classic with an Asian twist. Let's get started. Today we're going to be doing something like I said, doing a French classic with an Asian twist. So, as you can see, we have all these things laid out. We're going to be making a pasta with a really creamy sauce, an amazing creamy sauce, guys, I'm telling you. I made some yesterday. I could not believe at how good it tastes and how good it really was. But the French thing that we're going to be doing is taking some of this chicken, teriyaki style, and filleting it by butterflying it and making it chicken cordon bleu today. It's very simple, easy to do, and I promise you guys you'll love it. Ingredients we have today are the teriyaki chicken. We have eggs, no seasoning to that, flour, all-purpose flour to be exact, no seasoning, breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. I already mixed everything together in here and made this. No specific things, salt, pepper, and garlic powder are in there. I have coconut oil, which I'm going to replace for using butter so we could have a healthier alternative if this was supposed to be healthy. Swiss cheese and camelberry cheese. Pepper jack. We're going to be using garlic in the pasta. We're going to be using thyme. We also have ricotta cheese, milk, and parsley. Let's start butterflying this chicken. I'm going to move everything out of the way for a second so we could have everything prepared and set. So we have the chicken already out, and now we're going to butterfly it. So I'm going to take this piece and cut it with the knife halfway or through most of the chicken. So right now we're going to put this fettuccine into some boiling water that already was seasoned with salt. And so I'm just going to place these right in there very delicately. And now that we have that in the water, we reduce the heat from high to about a 5. Leave a strainer out for later. And now we're going to get back to the chicken. We have the chicken sliced up, and we are going to put some cheese and some of these extra meats. I got ham and roast beef. Traditionally, it's just ham, but I'm trying something out today to see how well it will go with this chicken cordon bleu. And now that that's done, we take the chicken breast and we turn it. Tuck in all the meats and the cheese. Take a few toothpicks and shove it through. So we have the breading station right here, and I'm ready to coat all this chicken. First, we've had all the toothpicks put into here. Yes, it looks like a colorful rainbow chicken cake or something. Credit to M for giving me that joke. Coat it in flour. Then an egg. And then a breadcrumb. And then back an egg. And then back into breadcrumb. And if somehow, just somehow, if your toothpicks come loose, you could always re-push them through. We have these all breaded up, and now we're going to put them in this cast iron pan. Unsure the time, but cook them until they're nice and golden brown. The cheese and ham and everything is perfectly together, and just watch. And now that they're sizzling away like that, we're going to let them sit until they reach an internal temperature of 175, guys. So right now we have all these ingredients out. Again, we have the coconut oil, we have something new, we have butter, we have parsley, and we have thyme. So we're going to cut up this garlic right now and start mincing it and doing all that great stuff. And now, guys, something a little fun. Kids, don't try this at home. Now that we have all these ingredients ready, we could bring them over and start them up in the pan. So right now we're putting butter and coconut oil in so that we could have a very unique kind of flavor. So with having both of these, it's going to make everything in this sauce a lot richer. And so you guys know, this, we'll be using a lot of it. Trust me. Melt everything in this pan down. If you guys are worried about calories, I can promise you this is going to be the most fattening thing you have ever eaten in your life. I promise you, right here, this pasta is addictive. It is unbelievably rich. You guys are in for a treat. We're letting the pan heat up. Toss everything in. Turn down the heat and just let everything kind of sit in that pan for a minute or two. Whisk everything around. Add a pinch of salt. Or two. Fresh ground black pepper. And now kind of whisk. Turn heat up to high for 30 seconds. And what we're trying to do is get different heat sources throughout this. Without that, you would not have much of a base to begin with, because you want to heat up fast and heat up slow. It's not a matter of how fast you're trying to cook it. It's to get that right texture that's going to make everything taste so much better. Trust me on this, guys. So now that this has been cooking down, we're going to turn it to a 3. I had taken this off to let it cool down. We now add in 2 or 3 cups worth of milk. We're going to add ricotta cheese next. And don't be stingy on the ricotta cheese, guys. I swear, if I see you guys being stingy, it's not going to be appreciated if you don't do anything. Kind of clump all that cheese into the milk. That's gonna give it its richness. Trying to put in pepper jack cheese. Just add the rest of the bag in. Heat all the way up. Now kind of stir. And we are going to add some of this Gruyere cheese. This is some of my favorite stuff that I found at my local market. And cut off a few pieces. Break it up. And now take this and bring it over to the steaming bath of pasta. Always remember, if you splash like I just did, clean up after yourself. Doesn't that look phenomenal, guys? And that is done, guys. We are complete with the pasta. We'll see you in a short minute when we're all done cooking the chicken. The chicken cordon bleu, I believe, right now is completely done. Let's take a look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. My guys, look at that. Perfectly cooked chicken cordon bleu. Let's plate it, guys. We have this beautiful plate right here of everything. I'm salivating right now. I can't wait to take a bite of this. Let's cut it open. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Now time for the pasta. Oh, that pasta almost tastes like an Alfredo sauce, almost. I freaking love this dish. Out of all the dishes I make on this channel, I feel like the pasta so far is the best one I've ever done. Like this pasta and chicken combo. It's just simply phenomenal, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode. Sorry for cutting off so many times. We have been running into some difficulties here at M&J Incorporated today. We hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and follow us on Facebook.
It's a fact, good thing for us or we'd all be snacks. An army of dragons would surely win. Companies of noblemen it took to slay a hydra then, but they were so huge and powerful the costly battles lasted long. Scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another